friendship bracelets. You will need embroidery floss of 2 or more colors, tape, scissors, and a flat surface. Set it up so it looks like this. The string should be the length of your forearm. Start by getting the first string, putting it so it looks like a 4, putting it under like that, pulling up. Do that however many times you want. I'm going to do 3 times. Then, get the other string or the next string and do the same. Do the same amount of times and repeat until you have a bracelet. Take the tape off and tie at the end, and you should have something that looks like this.
I'm so far.
Get an adult to tie it around your wrist, and then there you have it, your brand new bracelet. Enjoy!